There's Michael's pink candles. Good job, Mom.
You see how I like that? Ow!
Look!
Michael!
Michael!
No.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Hold it. How old are you?
Yeah.
Get it, Michael?
3 years old.
Get it!
Apparently you're 3, Michael.
Go.
Go. It's one for good luck.
Oh, okay.
Yay!
Bravo!
Yay, Michael.
Dad, get a picture of the cake
So
before
much
she
pink
cuts it.
candles. I forgot to give
Dad, you gotta get a picture of the cake before she cuts it.
Okay, yeah. Say thank you.
Good.
Here's one that's better.
Good
Oh,
job.
that one's good.
Oh, Michael, no! Stop dipping it.
No,
But mommy.
Wait, we
Mommy
gotta get a
left it
picture.
there.
I wanted to, but I have to run after.
Oh, you didn't get a picture of the cake. Did you see the
No.
cake? Tom, look at
Football.
Look at.
it. Of course, I took off all the footballs already.
Hold on, let me get a picture.
Get a picture before she cuts it.
No, I already took off all the footballs.